Gotta quit picking on Stu.
He's a.
Third of all,
John put his camera down.
third of all, so many times when I'm out drinking, and I'm drinking tonight, I ask people if they know the Boise song. And so many people don't know the Boise song. And, you know, that's one of my little legacies. And Cameron here is probably going to end up in show business. So I'd like for him to hear this song. And,
Oh, Lord.
And who knows, it may be my legacy and his as well. So the song goes. I belong to Boise, good old Boise town. What's the matter with Boise town? It goes around and round. I'm just a poor old working stiff that anyone here can see. But when I get drunk on a Saturday night, Boise belongs to me.
Woo!